With AI, a shaky economy, and clients being more cautious with their money, it's a lot. I've been running my photography and videography business full-time for 6 years now, and I can honestly say I'm starting to notice the changes. Shoots aren't always as steady as they used to be, people are shopping around more, budgets are tighter. So the big question is your business ready for what's coming? Things are different right now. AI is moving fast. It can edit, write, even generate images. And at the same time, the economy feels unpredictable. Couples are cutting wedding budgets, businesses are pulling back on marketing spend, and if you've been doing this a while, you probably felt it too. I know I have with my business. Here are some ways that I've been handling it myself and my business. I'm saving more money than I used to. A few years ago, if I had a good month, I'd probably buy a new lens or some fancy lighting setup. Now, I let that money sit just in case things slow down and I don't have as much work coming in. Having that cushion gives me way more peace of mind. And just like a lot of other people, I've started using AI where it actually makes sense, like calling images for weddings, writing quick drafts for emails, or even social posts, or helping brainstorm ideas, but I'm not trying to let it take over my creativity. And since last year, I'm leaning heavily into video work. AI is great at editing or generating still images, but it's nowhere near capturing someone's personality on video. When I film an interview with a business owner or a couple telling their story, that's real, that's personal, and no algorithm can replace that. So if you're worried, here are a few red flags that I think put a business at risk. 1, you're only relying on word of mouth to get clients. 2, you only do one-off jobs, no retainer or recurring income. 3, you're spending more time editing than building relationships or marketing. And lastly, you're ignoring AI together instead of at least learning how it can help you or your business. On the other side, here are things that I see photographers and creatives doing that set them up for success. They're experimenting with AI to save time, but not relying on it for everything. Here's the biggest one that I believe in, and they're diversifying their income. Weddings, corporate content, monthly retainers, everything. They're also building personal brands so clients hire them for their personality and creativity. And of course, they got their business side locked in, contracts, LLCs, and systems to protect themselves. Here's the thing though, yes, things are changing, but it's not all bad news. There's still plenty of work out there. Businesses still need marketing, couples are still getting married, brands still need video and photos, so you don't need to panic, you just need to stay adaptable. And that's been my approach. Save more money for the slower months, buy less gear that I don't really need even though I love my gear, lean into video, and use AI where it makes me faster. That way, no matter what happens, I feel ready. If you want to check where your business stands, I put together a free PDF checklist you can download below. It'll help you see what you're doing right now and where you might need to adjust. Of course, during all this, stay confident, stay creative, and I'll see you guys in my next video.